So once I got the covers off these things, they're actually not bad seats. They're Corbeau seats. I might try to get a hold of Corbeau and see if I can get some new foam and covers. Maybe we can fix these up. I don't know. Have to check it out. Yeah, they're not bad. I mean, they're obviously old and well used, but like the sliders are all good. The frames are pretty good, except for a little bit of rust at the mounting location. But I can clean that up. So, I mean, the springs are all good on both of them. Yeah. So, we might see if we can't save these. I was just going to toss them because I thought there were some junk seats, but see if I can't reuse those on something else. So, or sell them. Fix them up and sell them. We'll see. But, just about ready to pull the carpet. Gotta get a couple of mouse nests pulled out of here. And then we can get this carpet pulled and start fitting the new carpet. And go from there. Well, guys, now that we got the interior pretty well stripped out of here, we can yank this little rug out of here, hook our peepers on the floorboards, and see what kind of shape this old girl's in. I'm just gonna spritz a little bit of this rust converter on here, see if we can't slow down some of this here cancer we got going on. Give the next owner a little bit of extra time to try and get it fixed. That should help. Yeah. Alright, well, the countdown to Cleetus and cars is starting to get pretty serious. Got 8 days left. So, right now we got the interior completely stripped out. I got some rust converter on some of the surface rust there, just trying to like slow that down a little bit. And then I started painting the trunk because I'm not putting any carpet back in the trunk. And then I'm getting these window felts off so that I can get the new ones on after we paint the car. And then I'm going to pull the headliner. So I'm going to try and clean that up and put it back in. It's a very 80s crushed velvet. So I definitely want to put that back in because I think it's hilarious. And I think anyone who buys this car is going to love it because it's just one of those things, you know, kind of fitting for the car, I guess, I suppose. Alright, so today we started getting the new carpet back in. I just got to finish trimming the drinker side here. Gotta trim off all the excess there, and then we got the headliner out, so I'll clean that up and then we'll get that back in. And then I just got to finish painting the trunk. So once I get the carpet all trimmed up, I'll kind of pull it forward and then I'll finish painting this area back here. And we're just using the VHT wrinkle black So it should give it a nice texture back here. But yeah. So there we go. We got 8 days till Cleetus and cars. So I got 8 days to finish this up. And I still got a lot to do. I gotta re-dye all the plastics and then clean the back seats. And we can get the front seats in. I gotta paint the car. Man, a lot to do. Not so much time. So we're getting there.